nationalism and unity. Why nationalism? Kasi yung Voltes 5, nire-represent nila parang yung mga heroes at that time na may dumating na mga alien para i-invade ang Earth. So, hindi lang sila nag-work in unison para ipagtanggol yung lugar nila, kundi the whole Earth itself. Parang gano'n.
Ako naman, since Voltes 5, kasi family sila, no? The unity within the three brothers.
Okay.
Because sa family namin, 3 kami magkakapatid, puro kami babae. So, it brought us together. Parang,
Okay.
yun.
Okay. Kita mo yan? Talaga nag-volt into yan. Talaga. Pero, I wanna ask the guys naman, do you feel na may difference ba na yun when you watch Voltes 5 compared to noon in the quality or even in how you feel when you watch it?
Actually ngayon, mas parang nandun yung the excitement, yung mas excited ka. Kasi before, parang bang bata ka, so it's like every episode is like parang watching
It's
a
just
regular
part of it.
cartoons. Oh, it's part of it. Unlike now, talagang you look forward to seeing it.
Para you can remember your childhood.
Kaya ako I work sa San Mateo, sa Rizal. That's very far from my place. So, basta 5 o'clock, kailangan umalis na ako doon. Umuwi na ako.
Para abot na sa 7.
Para pagdating ko sa bahay, panood na ako.
Ganon din ba, tulad noon, di ba sabi niyo, pag umuwi kayo, ang TV sa inyo lang. Sa ngayon ba, pag uwi niyo pa rin, bawal ang lahat manood ng kahit ano?
From Voltes 5 up to Bubble Gang. Hindi na umaalis sa 7.
7 kami, dire-diretso.
Dapat, kahit na after bubble ka, ang nasa 7 pa rin. Di ba? Ang volt yun.
Sa amin, hindi na gano'ng problem yan eh. We have 3 TVs.
Aba, okay na okay sa'yo yung isang TV. Sayong-sayo.
Yung isa nasa kwarto ko, so
But can I
it's mine,
ask
all
you,
mine.
Aba.
Can I ask you naman, do you all tape it now? I mean,
Yung mga
even though you
episodes?
watch it, are you taping the episodes?
Ako, hindi na kasi I have a complete episode set. Kaya lang, yung Japanese version, natuto na lang ako magbakero dun eh. Pero, basically, yun lang.
Bad words yan, uy.
Pero it's not pag when you put it on a cartoon eh. Kasi they say it eh.
Okay. Okay. Pero isa pa sa mga avid fans ng Voltes 5, ang nakunan natin, syempre. At malaki ang naitulong ng Voltes 5 kung sino at ano siya ngayon. Narito ang V ng Bubble Gang. Please welcome Michael V.
Mula nung lumabas yung first episode ng Voltes 5, naalala ko pa yung episode na yun, yung na ano si Voltes 5, yung mga ganun na bakal. Siguro nasa episode number 5 yun or 6. Pero hindi kasi nila unang nilabas yung episode 1 eh. Tapos from then on, nakita ko na kagad yung ganda nung animation, yung pagiging fascinated ko sa robot. Simula nun, nagdo-drawing na kagad ako. As soon as napanood ko yung second episode, kabisado ko na yung bawat detalye, no? Nung robot. Yung original run niya na ginawa, na siya rin pinapalabas ngayon, nakuha ko. Kaya lang, yung bandang huli, yung siguro mga last 3 episodes, hindi na na-dub. Dahil before pa yatang natapos yung dubbing nun, dito sa GMA before, nawala na sa air yung Voltes 5. Kaya medyo Japanese pa yung tatlong huling episode.
Gumagawa ka raw dati ng Voltes 5 gawa sa tsinelas?
Oo, marami. Kasi may isa akong barkada noon sa Tenement, sa Taguig. Siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na gumawa. Ang naalala kong ginawa ko noon, bukod kay Voltes 5, pati si Dimos gumawa ako. At saka Mazinger Z, may ginawa ako noon. Siguro dahil nakasabak na ako sa trabaho ko na scouting before sa exporting, ang next step ko siguro is gumawa na lang ng mga sculptures ng Voltes 5 on my own. Ako na lang isa.
Okay. Last Monday, Shelly, nag-announce tayo, kumbaga nanawagan tayo na kung meron kayong mga collections ng Voltes 5, dalhin nyo dito at kung sinong may pinakamaganda or wide range
Or the
of
biggest collection?
may makukuhang premyo. Ay, thank you. Nahulog.
Nahulog.
At ngayon, syempre, nakuha na natin ang winner.
Yes.
At dala-dala niya yung kanyang collections. Ang collections niya ay yung first Voltes 5 soundtrack noong 1979.
Tapos may stickers, 1989, and text cards.
Ayun. Please welcome Roldan Torrente.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning to our viewers, ma'am.
Ito ay isa sa mga koleksyon
Yes, ma'am.
ni Roldan. Para mapatunayan ho namin kung gaano nakatanda ito, sandali ha? Direct paki-close up lang. Si Lea Salonga yan, ha? At wala pang Miss Saigon nung panahon na yan.
Inez.
So, this is older than my kids. At talaga naman, naka-plastic at nakatago.
It's not older than you?
No, I'm 1 year older lang ako.
Ganon.
At dahil meron kang mga collections na ganyan, meron kami, of course, prize para sa'yo. We have 2,000 pesos for you to buy more Voltes 5 stuff. This is for you.
We're so happy for you.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming
Thank you very
and
much.
for bringing in.
Yun. But we'll vault in again, mga kaibigan, with you after these reminders, so do not go away.
Silang butulin, sayang daw.
Yeah, they want to take it home.
Pero
Kahit
gutom
na
tayo
makanis
eh.
yan.
Hayaan mo na.
so
In 5 pieces, ha?
Una-una, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for coming over. And
Thank you very
thank you
much.
so much for bringing your
Thank you very
collection.
much.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga koleksyon nyo dahil mahal na yan. Kaya pag lumabas kayo, isigurado nyo na sa loob ng bag. Okay, so I'll cut the cake.
Yeah,
1
okay.
minute.
She's going to cut the cake. Okay, so. In a V daw. She has to cut it in a V. Oh my God. But while she's cutting the cake, we have jamming of the Voltes 5 song. Sing, guys. Anyway, while they're singing, you can visit the Voltes 5 at gmailnetwork.com. Okay? The actual thing is http://www.gmailnetwork.com/program/home/. Okay, so copy that down and you can see the Voltes 5. And we would like to thank Ms. Leilani C. of Art Cakes, located at 205E Mabini Corner, Burgos Street, San Juan, with telephone number 724-9552. So if you have a Voltes 5 party and have a Voltes 5 cake for your kid or even your husband, if they're fans like mine, you can get them the cake. Oy, ang liit naman yung slice na yan, oh. Thanks again to all of our guests, and I'd like to thank also for myself, Steph Nelson, Megamo Glorieta, for my clothes, Jazz Fish, Fashion Right by Satellite, and Salon de Manila. And on Bing's behalf, I'd like to thank Mix Glorieta, Greenbelt, Mix Greenbelt, and Alberto Shoes and Salon de Manila. Thank you so much. And Jano Show pala. When is that?
April the 13th at the Shangri-La. Don't forget, Ruby Kind of Love.
Yeah, that's with Bernie Varga and Regine Velasquez. Ruby Kind of Love. Don't forget to watch that. Okay, thank you so much. And we'll see you again tomorrow.
Very great.
Dito lang sa brunch.
I'd like to say hi to my folks at home and to June Bueno, Inchimar, and the rest of the guys at DW Online. Guys!
Hi to Darby and Clergy, Benji, my mama and my papa, and my auntie Bing and Uncle Boy, Aris, and the rest of CIDI employees.
I'd like to say hi to my sister, baby, Madonna, my mom, my dad, and Amina and Athena. Oh, Gladys.
Hinge, nandito ako, oy.
Thank you po sa GMA. And Viva Voltes 5.
Yes, yes. Hold in, everybody. This is Dr. Smith